This is a different way to solve the problem of all keys lost. We remove the wafers from the lock, but there isn't any figure on the wafer. We used the M2Tank CNC key cutting machine to solve this problem. Please follow my instructions. At first, we have to find this key option. This is HU100. Enter this option. Depending on the guide picture, we need to install the key on the clamp. Here we input 1 on every position, and then click Cut. Key bitting of every position is 1, and then we insert this key into the lock cylinder. Here we look for which position is 1. Please watch carefully. The last wafer is not protruding. Here the bitting is 1. And then we use key bittings too. Same way. Insert it into the lock. And then watch the wafers again. Same way. We'll look for the wafers that are not protruding. These 3 positions are 2. And then we use the key that bitting is 3. Same way. Insert it into the lock. These 3 positions are not protruding. Key bittings are 3. And then we use the keys that bittings are 4. Please watch it carefully. The position that's not protruding is 4. Finally, we input 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, and cut the key. Finished cutting. Trying to turn the lock. Perfect.